get, let's say if I used to like get a 16-year-old, right? 16-year-olds now a little bit more advanced than 16-year-olds when I was 16. Well, not me, but in general, right? So you sit a 16-year-old down in front of Final Cut and tell him take 5 videos out of his phone and edit them on a timeline. Well, actually, what's a timeline? Right? So if I take someone who's never used Photoshop and put them in front of the computer screen and say, hey, make a thumbnail. How do I get a new canvas? What's a layer? Which tool crops and cuts? How do I add one image on top of another? How do I change the color of an image? How do I make a filter work? Which filter works best? Why does this filter make the whole page change the color? I just want to change this color. It's not simple. They make it simple, but it is